like, Auntie, is mommy Samoan? And then she was like, no. She goes, is baby brother Samoan? She was like, no. She goes, Auntie, are you Samoan? And she was like, no.
And then were they coming to the party? Because she asked me if I was Samoan too.
Yeah. And then Catherine was like, oh, you're the only Samoan. And she was so sad. She's like, I'm the only one.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's so sad. I'm like, but you're Filipino too.
And then she's like, no.
No, she's like, no, I'm Samoan.
I think it's so funny because like obviously Cleo has a dad and he's like Samoan. You guys know Cleo's Samoan, but
Yeah.
it's so cool like raising like not bilingual. Well, she is bilingual. She's gonna be, but
Yeah.
mix. Girl, why can't I think of that word? It's so crazy like raising like mixed kids because like you remember even when Cleo was like a little girl and like we would teach her like beautiful eyes, which was like, you know, if you're Filipino, it's like that. And then she forgot about it because in Samoan, beautiful eyes is makas.
Yeah.
And then what else is she like? She would be like, I go and tell mama SASA you. I'm like, bitch, tell your mom to fucking hit me. I will hit her ass back. I don't know why Cleo thinks I'm scared of Princess. Like she's every time I say no to Cleo, she'd be like, I tell grandma SASA you. I'm like, SASA means like lickings or like spankings.
Spankings.
Like, bitch, I dare you to tell your fucking mom about me. I'll SASA her right back.
Like, I asked her, so Cleo knows